Something massive is happening right now in the world of AI, and if you're watching this video early, you're lucky. A brand new OpenAI tool, Sora 2, is changing the entire way people make money online. This is the first time video generation has reached near human realism. We're talking about cinematic storytelling from a single line of text. Videos that look like Netflix trailers or Apple ads created in seconds. It's in private beta. But that hasn't stopped creators and marketers from turning it into serious income streams. Now, let's talk about what makes Sora 2 so different. Sora understands physics, lighting, and motion like a human cinematographer. By the end of this video, you'll know how to get early access to Sora 2 without paying a cent, how to create high-value videos in minutes. Ready? Let's dive in. Businesses need content every single day. But most small business owners don't have time to film videos or manage social media. That's where AI tools like Sora 2 come in. With just a single text prompt, you can create stunning 10 to 30-second videos. Imagine creating a coffee shop morning vibe video. Soft sunlight, latte art, people chatting. Add the business's logo and boom, a branded ad. You can easily charge $50 to $200 for that one video, or offer a monthly package for $297 to $500. Once set up using automation tools like Go High Level or Zapier, you can run a fully automated AI agency. To get access to Sora 2, join the OpenAI Discord community, where developers share early invite codes. Each active user receives 4 extra invite codes to share. I got my invite this weekend, and now I have 4 to give away. To win one, like this video, subscribe, and comment below, Sora Access. I'll pick one winner daily for 4 days. Sora 2 is the gateway to a new economy powered by AI. Early adopters will lead the next wave of online business success.
Find easy clients. Look for local business pages on social media that haven't posted in months. Restaurants, salons, gyms need videos. Message them offering AI-created videos for 2 weeks. No cost, no contract. It's a zero-risk proposal. Use Sora 2 to create custom-looking videos. Add logos, text overlays, and music to appear professional. Once the client is happy, use scheduling tools like Go High Level or Buffer to automate posts. Charge a monthly fee. 5 clients at $400 per month equals $2,000 recurring income per month and $24,000 a year from AI-generated videos. Scaling is simple. Hire virtual assistants for tasks and focus on client growth. Just know how to prompt, and you're set. You don't need to be tech-savvy. Typing simple prompts leads to powerful video creation for your business.
We're entering a new age, an age where AI doesn't replace people, it empowers them. Tools like Sora 2, ChatGPT, and DID are giving everyday creators superpowers. The same technology used by studios and ad agencies is now available to you. The people who jump into AI creation now will be the next wave of online millionaires. Comment Sora Access below, subscribe for my AI FastTrack training, and I'll send you my free guide. You'll get my top 10 Sora 2 prompts, a guide to find clients, and a free 30-day trial of my top AI automation tool. Opportunities like this don't come often. Sora 2 is still under the radar. Be early, be smart. Use AI to create not just content but freedom. The future doesn't belong to those who wait. It belongs to those who build it.